Let's be honest. Most people start their mornings like robots, rolling out of bed, grabbing their phones, and scrolling through random content before they even brush their teeth. Then they wonder why their lives feel out of control. If your morning is chaotic, your life will follow suit. But if you start your day with intention and purpose, success doesn't just become possible. It becomes inevitable. Here's the truth. How you wake up determines everything. Let me walk you through a better way to start your day. Step 1. When the first decision of the day, the first thing you do in the morning sets the tone for everything that follows. For most people, that first decision is weak, hitting snooze, rolling over, and procrastinating on life before they've even started. But successful people, they get up immediately. No negotiations. No, just 5 more minutes. It's about momentum. Small habits build into bigger wins. If you can't conquer the simple act of getting out of bed, you're setting yourself up to lose the day before it even begins. Step 2. Use the 5-second rule. Struggling to get up right away? That's normal. Your brain is wired to seek comfort. But here's a hack. The 5-second rule. The moment your alarm goes off, count backward from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then get up. Don't think. Don't negotiate. Just move. Hesitation is the enemy. The longer you wait, the more your brain will convince you to stay in bed. Beat your brain at its own game. Step 3. Move before your mind wakes up. Most people wake up groggy, and take that as a sign they need more rest. But here's the truth. Movement creates energy. Do something, push-ups, jumping jacks, a cold shower, anything to jolt your system before your brain convinces you to stay lazy. When you move, you force your body to wake up, and suddenly you're in control, not your excuses. Step 4. Control your inputs. Your brain is at its most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. Yet most people spend that time drowning in social media, emails, and notifications. Your morning should be your time, not the world's. The first thing you do is check your phone. You're training your brain to react to distractions. Instead, replace that habit with something that builds you up. Read, journal, meditate. Protect your focus, and you'll protect your day. Step 5. Own your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and disconnected from distractions, it's time to set the tone for the day. Your first hour is your launch pad. Here's how to make it count. Review your goals. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Engage in deep work. Tackle your most important task first. Hydrate and fuel up. Drink water and eat something nourishing. Set an intention. Decide how you want to show up today. Each of these steps builds on the last. Win the first hour, and you'll win the rest of the day. Most people won't do this. They'll hear it, maybe even agree with it, and then go back to their old habits. But you're not most people. If you've read this far, you already know the truth. The way you start your morning shapes the course of your entire life. What's it going to be? Will you keep hitting snooze on your potential, or will you finally wake up and take control? The choice is yours.